if you ever say Chuncheon to a Korean, the first thing that they will say is Chuncheon Dalkgalbi, and that is the reason why.
Yep.
Hungry? Hi, on a hill in an old bazaar. Now, something I love in Tokyo, and we are here in Shinjuku. Hello everyone, welcome to Chuncheon, and today is a special day because we are off to the Chuncheon Makguksu Dalkgalbi Festival. The most famous dish in Chuncheon is Makguksu and Dalkgalbi, more so Dalkgalbi, which is a chicken sort of, I don't know, how would you describe it?
It's like a big platter.
Chicken mixed with some cabbage, with some gochujang,
Sauce.
which is a Korean chili paste, and a lot of other delicious things.
Rice cakes.
Rice cake, if you guys have never had it, go to your local Korean supermarket and find some and cook some.
No, don't.
It's delicious.
No, don't. Go to a Korean restaurant, let them cook it for you.
Okay, or that. Yeah, makguksu is a type of cold noodle. Basically, the noodles are made out of buckwheat. For all my Russian friends out there, grecha. It's like a healthier type of noodle, and they put it in this cold water. It is absolutely fantastic. The festival usually takes place every year in the end of August, beginning of September. Tomorrow is actually the last day you can go, but if you're ever in Chuncheon next time, definitely check it out. If you guys come here, come into the Coffee Six and get yourself some watermelon or melon juice. 수박 하나 더 주세요. On hot days like these, it is so refreshing to have a nice, cool watermelon juice. And just a quick Korean lesson, watermelon in Korean is 수박. I'll enter the words right here. 수박. Enjoy. Cheers! Juice is sorted. If you want to get around with subway in Korea, you need a T-money card. This card can be used in almost all forms of transport. You can use it subway, buses, and taxis actually even. You load it up, you put money on it, and then you just tap in, tap out.
Money on it, and then you just tap in, tap out.
There's two types of trains here. We have the
Subway.
and the ITX is a direct to Seoul with a few stops in between.
Subway system, or one is like a train system. It's completely different. One is like kind of luxurious or something. You kind of pay and you get a designated seat. Whereas the subway is just in the classic mode. You just tap in. It's like a basic fare. And the other one's kind of it's more of a comfy ride, I guess. More comfy. You're guaranteed to see air conditions.
Sometimes.
Air conditions maybe a bit better.
Sure. Not our train.
Sad day.
Not our train. Festival. Over here on this side are some booths where you can go get some makguksu, and as you see, like a lot of vendors come here. They set up their little shops and tents, and they can sell anything from kimchi to snacks to clothing. You can find it all here. So we're gonna walk around a bit and then find some place to eat. Ready?
We should put my sunglasses.
We found this Uzbeki stall, and I got some shashlik and yapyoshka, and it's gonna be fantastic. I'm so excited. Beautiful, mate. bunch of events at the Dalkgalbi Festival. You can get your palm reads by a fortune teller, you can buy some food. There's also Korean traditional wrestling. I believe the Korean word is shirum or sirum. And yeah, we didn't get in time for that today, but you can definitely see. We've found our little food. We're gonna make some Dalkgalbi. There's the cabbage, chicken, sauce, over there. Every time you come to a Korean restaurant, they give you this little wet tissue. It's so you clean your hands thoroughly before your meal. You eat Dalkgalbi, they give you lettuce and perilla leaf, which is close to like a sesame leaf.
Sesame leaf.
And they have your onion, garlic, gochujang, radish, and I like to put everything in my little lettuce leaf and have it together. Going in for the first bite. Bit of sweet potato. How is it?
Not too spicy. It's very, very nice.
This is a Diddy classic. Take your leaf, get your chopsticks ready, piece of chicken, piece of onion. Ah! Oh no!
We're having a bit of stage fright here. Okay, no, we're okay. We're recovering.
Onion.
We're recovering. Yeah.
Sauce.
Oh yeah, we're getting there.
Make your little sandwich.
Of course, naturally, yeah. Bottoms up.
So, just a bit of Korean ordering etiquette. To call a waiter over, I mean, for Westerners, this might seem a little disrespectful, but it's the only way how people order here. You say 저기요, 저기요. It means literally here, just come here, or there. You scream that, someone will come over and you order. If you want to have more water, the word is
물.
물. 물 더 주세요. More water, please.
Alcohol culture is really big here. And the two big drinks are beer, which is mekju, and their own drink, which is soju.
Soju is basically Korean sake. It's
Rice winey kind of.
rice winey, and
Like vodka kind of.
you can get it in multiple different flavors. I personally like the flavored ones. I like apple, grapefruit, and something that Koreans do is you mix the soju and mekju together to get someng, and it's quite tasty actually. Second to best thing in Dalkgalbi, tok, rice cake, is so delicious. So hot though, but it gets so good when it gets super crispy, chewy, delicious, perfect. Another thing that's actually quite typical that I forgot to say, when people are done eating their Dalkgalbi, you can order bokkeumbap. Bokkeumbap is a type of fried rice. They fry it straight on your pan when you're done, or even if you have leftover food, they just mix it in together. We're not going to be getting any today. Oh, another thing, in this festival, you can't get Dalkgalbi and Makguksu in the same establishment. Usually you can in restaurants, they usually sell it together, but here they have it separate, in separate tents, so that's why we can't eat it together in the same meal. You know what? I don't even know if I want Makguksu anymore.
Ice cream time.
What should we order? Taco fish acquired. First bite, me. You know what the good thing about Korea is? When you get soft serve, it's always gonna be milk flavored. I love milk flavored soft serve. Don't you? Go on then. Oh no, my hair. Oh, who is crying back there?
Who's dying back there? Oh,
Oh, lick the sides. It's melting.
that's so milky. While it's discreet, we're two very, very fat little hippos.
It for our Dalkgalbi Makguksu Festival this year, 2018. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching.
Oh, sorry guys. I was in my own room. Thanks for watching.
Walking from the Dalkgalbi Festival, we've come to where?
Myeongdong.
Myeongdong is like downtown area. There's one in Seoul, a big one, but we've got little cute
everywhere.
shopping. Really? Yeah, we've got a nice shopping area here, and there's also an underground shopping mall here. You gotta find one of these like little staircases and just go down, and there's a lot of Korean shopping there and old-fashioned type of clothes. And yeah, no, but there's not gonna be like your typical like H&M and Zara. It's like Korean clothes.
Korea, H&M.
Well, I'm just saying what there is.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, and we'll show you the cute little inside when we cross the street. We've got our good old Starbucks coffee and a good Paris spaghetti if you guys are into that kind of stuff. So this is just a time lapse of us walking through Myeongdong. If you walk down this alley coming up, there's a bunch of shopping. You can find cute little cafes and restaurants and all that stuff. And where you see this golden rooster is the famous Dalkgalbi Street in Chuncheon. Ollie's coffee, mate. Hands down, best coffee in Korea. Best Korean coffee.
Oh, relax.
I like it a lot.
Controversial.
I like it.
Controversial.
My opinion. We finished our adventures out and we've grabbed our little guy. If you guys don't know, this is our puppy Drax. Say hi, Drax. This is our buddy Drax. He's a Corgi and Pomeranian mix, and we're gonna take him out for a walk. We have this beautiful river walk next to our house, and we're gonna go down to the river and go on a nice walk. Let's go! There's a little park where I always go on the swings because, yes, I am 5 years old. Thanks. Hi, Bubba. You love him?
Of course. What's not to love? He's so cute.
Guys, that's it for our day. Thank you for watching. Good night, everyone.
Say goodbye, Dax.
Good night, Dax. 안녕, 얘들아. Hey guys, I know we said goodbye in the previous clip, but we decided to bring our dog Drax to the dog cafe, and this is just a little clip of us bringing him there and having fun with other dogs. Enjoy! Sort of a marketplace going on across the river, but we've been there last year, so no point to go again this year. Off to the dog cafe. So I don't know if you guys who have dogs experience this as well, but our dog is so antisocial when it comes to other dogs. He like sort of gets shook, but basically what had happened was all the people were throwing balls, and every time someone would throw a ball, he would just go and bring it and collect it under the table. He wouldn't even play with it, just leave them there. What a weirdo.
I don't know his name, but he's very cute and I like his face.
Don't look at his face.
Excuse me. Hello. Hello. Oh. Hey, we're good. Hello, friend.